Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to find security. Let's tap on it. Now let's take a look at the device security section, and on the second position we've got the Fingerprint Unlock, so let's tap. And here, as you can see, we can choose, because let me explain. This is the very first step of adding the fingerprint, but if you've got the screen lock currently set, then you will be transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using the pattern, pen or password. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick the pattern. And right now we have to draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. And right now we have to decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the lock screen, so we can show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. Just make sure that the one you'd like to set is marked. So I will pick this one and tap on done. And right now we've got the step to set up our fingerprint unlock. Finally, we've got the information that we will be able to use it for unlocking the device or the purchases and so on. Here we've got the information how it works and so on and so on and so on. Of course, you can read it if you want to. If not, just tap on I agree. And here we've got also the information how to set up the fingerprint. So in this model, we've got the fingerprint sensor on the screen. So let's tap on start. And here we've got the fingerprint sensor. Obviously, I will add my index finger because it will be more comfortable for me. But if you will setting yours, just keep holding your device like normally, and probably you will pick the thumbs, one of the thumbs, to add it. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see right now, I have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully and change the position of the finger in order to, of course, catch all of the corners of it, of course, for better recognition. Okay, we just successfully added the fingerprint. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And we've been immediately transferred to the fingerprint settings. So, and this is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it if you want to. So let me do it. Tap on OK. You can remove it also here just by tapping on this trash bin icon, and you can add another fingerprint if you want to. I don't want to do that. Let's check if it is working. So let's lock the device. And as you can see on the locked device, I cannot see the sensor, but let me unlock it. Let's say unlock it. And as you can see, we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.